It's time for business news with Richard Southern. After 2+ years of silence, downtown Toronto is coming back to life, Richard.
People are starting to go back to the office. We have some hard numbers on this. I went back to the office. I was in studio with you
That's
the other
right.
day, Erica.
Yeah, it was
That
fun.
was nice. It was fun. And yeah, people are starting to do this a few days a week. We know this because a real estate company called the Vision Global uses anonymized cell phone data to look at how many people, how many workers are walking into downtown Toronto office buildings. What they found was a steady rise in workers ever since mid-April of this year. Right now, we are at a pandemic high as far as people going back to the office, according to these numbers. The foot traffic, though, into the office buildings, it is at its highest, Erica, in the middle of the week. And this lines up with what I've been told by a lot of downtown financial services workers, in that they tend to go to the office Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Apparently, there's nobody there Monday and Friday. Nobody wants to go in Monday, Friday.
Kind of makes sense.
Anyways, it makes a lot of sense. Since early April, we're up about 50% in terms of foot traffic. We are still, though, nowhere close to where we were pre-pandemic, Eric.
All right. Now, how much do you need to make to own a home in Toronto? The number is staggering, Richard.
So this is a 20% down payment. How much do you need to make every year? Any guesses, Erica, right now? How much it would
I don't
be?
even want it. Like, it's obviously, a six-figure, right?
Obviously, yes. In fact, way more than 100 grand. We're talking 220,000 a year to own a home in Toronto with a 20% down payment, according to a new report from ratehub.ca. Now, yes, home prices have fallen, but the income you need to own a home has risen because mortgage rates have gone up, and the stress tests to qualify for a mortgage have also risen. Home buyers here in Toronto need to earn an extra $15,700 a year compared to what they needed just this past March, according to this report. Erica, we're going to have to get second jobs or something here.
Yeah, a little side gig, maybe.
Yeah.
It's not often that governments put money back into your pockets, but that just happened for millions of Ontarians, Richard.
Yeah, I don't know. Did you notice this? Did you get it last Friday, Erica?
I did notice. Yeah, it was nice.
There you go. You're buying drinks tonight, then, I suppose, Erica. Not everybody got this, though. That's kind of the issue. We're talking here about the rebate for the carbon tax. They call it the Climate Action Incentive Payment. If you're up to date on your taxes, you were supposed to have seen this in your bank account last Friday. Not everybody did, though. I asked the head of tax and estate planning at CIBC why that might have been the case.
The only thing I can think of is that they're not properly signed up for direct deposit. So, I mean, the only way you're going to get this automatically is if you're automatically getting your tax refunds paid into your bank account. If not, it's possible that you didn't file the tax return correctly, but you can go online and see what's happening there, and you'll be able to get it.
The next installment is slated for October 15th and then January 15th. They pay this every quarter to a total of $373 a year for an individual. It's more for those with a spouse or with children.